I'm out again with the Vortex VX9 and we're running 9.09. Today I'm going to be testing with the US coins mode in multi-frequency. I just have the standard settings. I just want to see how the detector performs without any major adjustment. I've got a wheat cent on the ground and we're gonna scan that first, but I'm gonna do a little ground balance first. Now so pretty solid 77 on the penny. I got these crusty nails. I'm going to start with this one. We're going to put it in position 1. This is a test jig that I made on my 3D printer. So here we go. That's an easy hit in position 1. In position 2. Still pretty good response. That's position 3. A little more clip, but definitely there. Okay, it's getting it in that position too. Now we're gonna go back to position 1 and we're gonna have 2 big crusty nails. See how it does. Pretty solid 66, so the iron's pulling the reading down, but it's getting a good tone and still showing up in the non-ferrous range. Still hitting it. I'd say it's doing pretty good for 11-inch coil. Now we're gonna do something extra special. We're gonna put that wheat cent on edge And we're gonna put our two fat nails next to it. They're about an inch or an inch and a quarter apart. It's definitely hitting it. Let's move them a little closer. I think that's more of a tone thing. It's kind of a clipped tone, like a bottle cap, but this is what those nails sound like without the penny there. They don't make a sound at all. So if you're not digging up bottle caps, you're not finding coins in iron. And that's hitting not too bad. Okay, now we're gonna try something else. Pretty much covered the penny. Let's see if it can see through all of that. All right, see that? That's pretty amazing. Man, that's impressive. Trying to get the penny out of there so I can let you listen to just the iron. There's just the nails. It's chirping a little bit, but I think it was hitting better when the penny was in there. So that's pretty much covered. Without a doubt, it's hitting it. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I would like to thank the service members and veterans and those that gave their lives for this great country and keep us free and safe.